The sun dips low on the glades tonight. The street lights flicker a golden light. From Savannah down to Windmill Ranch, we're taking every New Year chance. Families gather in the backyard heat, with neighbors laughing on every street. The kids are playing till the clock strikes late, in the town we love, in the Sunshine State. Happy New Year, Weston, let the spirit fly underneath that big blue Broward sky. From the town center circle to the cypress trees, we're catching the dreams on a warm winter breeze. Together we rise, together we grow, in the heart of the Western glow. The Rotary and the Kiwanis crew are planning all the good they're gonna do. The YMCA is humming with life, leaving behind the old year strife. We're fueled by a latte from Mercado's door, or a Friday night feast at the cheese course once more. From Bellini's toast to a Flanagan's game, the local spirit is always the same. Meet me at Reginald Park for a run, or to quest a trace in the morning sun. Our business is thriving, our storefronts bright, guiding us into the new year light. From the soccer fields to the library hall, Weston stands proud and Weston stands tall. Happy New Year, Weston, let the spirit fly underneath that big blue Broward sky. From the town center circle to the cypress trees, we're catching the dreams on a warm winter breeze. Together we rise, together we grow, in the heart of the Western glow. The fireworks fade over the sawgrass line. 2026 is gonna be just fine. Happy New Year, Weston, home sweet home.